You're caught in a thunderstorm, lightning strikes a tree nearby, but then you see it. A glowing sphere, humming, hovering, drifting through the rain. It floats through your backyard, maybe even through a wall. And then boom, it vanishes. Or sometimes it doesn't. This isn't a sci-fi script. It's a phenomenon reported across the globe, and science still doesn't know what it is. Today, we chase the ghost in the storm. This is ball lightning. People across centuries and continents have seen it, glowing balls of light the size of an apple or a beach ball during storms. They float, drift, spin, even pass through glass without breaking it. They hum quietly or crackle with static. Colors: white, blue, orange, even green. They last seconds to minutes, and then pop, they're gone. Some leave a sulfurous smell, some scorch the ground, and some have taken lives. What are these things, and why can't science explain them? For centuries, ball lightning was folklore, dismissed by scientists as fantasy or optical illusion. But then the patterns started to appear. Aviation records, naval logs, scientific field reports. Thousands of people claim to witness it, often in stormy weather. Most orbs are 10 to 40 centimeters across. Some float silently, others buzz or hiss. Many vanish without a trace. Others explode violently. So scientists asked, if so many people across cultures describe the same thing, maybe it's not fiction. Maybe it's physics we don't understand yet. Studying ball lightning is like chasing a ghost. It appears without warning, in unpredictable ways, and rarely leaves behind evidence. Try setting up instruments to capture it, and you'll wait years. Try reproducing it in a lab, and you might create sparks or plasmas, but nothing with the mystery or persistence of the real thing. It doesn't last long enough to test. It doesn't come when called, and yet it keeps being seen. Still, science tried to mimic it. Nikola Tesla himself claimed to have produced luminous fireballs in his lab. Modern experiments using salt water, microwave ovens, and even silicon dust have produced glowing orbs. Some last a second or two. They glow, they float, they fizzle. But none of them behave exactly like the mysterious floating spheres reported during storms. We can imitate its glow, but not its ghostly grace. Not yet. What could make a glowing orb float through the air, and sometimes through walls? Theories abound. Some say it's plasma, ionized gas trapped in magnetic fields. Others propose vaporized silicon from soil, igniting after a lightning strike. There's the microwave cavity theory, where a lightning bolt traps its own radiation inside a sphere of ionized air. Still others think it's a quantum phenomenon, or even dark matter interacting with our world. The problem? All of these ideas work in simulations, but fall apart in real-world experiments. Too short, too dim, too different. Ball lightning is like a lock, for which we have 100 keys, and none of them turn. Could ball lightning be in your mind? When lightning strikes nearby, it creates massive electromagnetic pulses, and those pulses can stimulate the human brain, just like magnetic therapy devices do. The result? Flashes of light, orbs, visual illusions. Some researchers argue ball lightning is a hallucination triggered by electromagnetic shock. But if that's true, why do multiple people see it at the same time? Why does it damage objects? Why does it leave scorch marks on wood, walls, and aircraft panels? Here's a wild idea. What if we're lumping several different things into one name? Ball lightning. Maybe some are short-lived plasmas. Some are silicon vapor reacting with oxygen. Some are EM illusions. Some might be something completely new. In the rush to solve one mystery, we may have bundled 5 together. Researchers are building better sensors. They're linking eyewitness reports with satellite lightning trackers, deploying mobile labs to storm-prone regions, and hoping, just hoping, that someday the ghost will show itself long enough to be caught. We're inching closer, but this mystery isn't giving up easily. We live in an age of quantum computers, black hole imaging, and gravitational wave detection, and yet a glowing ball of light drifting through a storm still baffles us. It's real, it's rare, and it's waiting. This is the Mindbender. Subscribe if you're brave enough to keep chasing mysteries the world still can't explain.